Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Positivity. Today I'm actually showing you the finished product of the curry goat. Yesterday I actually showed you how I was preparing this curry goat, how I washed it, how I seasoned it and let it marinate overnight, and now I'm going to show you the finishing product. And if you remember everything I told you about how to make sure your gravy has that consistency where you don't have to add the cornstarch, you don't have to add the flour, whatever you use to bring your gravy to a thickness, you didn't have to do that. It was a simple method. I shared that with you on my video. If you missed it, go back to my first video that I post where I talked about it, and you will see what my tip was in making sure this gravy was nice and has its juiciness and consistency. So here is the I'm going to switch the camera around and I'm going to show you the curry goat all done. So I'm going to show it to you all done. There it is. It was in the slow cooker. The slow cooker is Hamilton Beach. And there it is. Look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. Look at that. I didn't add any cornstarch. I didn't have any flour. I didn't add anything to make this nice and thick. This was all about the tips that I gave you how to prepare this dish. Look at this. I already had a little bit of the dinner out of it. So, okay, I had some white rice. I should have made it some rice and peas, but I didn't. Didn't feel like making it. But I had some of this earlier. And here it is. Okay. I also did some sweet plantains, fried plantains. So there it is, nice and thick as you can see. If only you could taste it. Look at that. Okay. So that is the finished product of the curry goat that I prepared yesterday. And it was again cooked in this Hamilton Beach slow cooker pot, which is superb. If you're busy, you have a lot of things to do, yes, set it up in here and go about your business. And when you come back, dinner is ready. All right. So thank you again for coming back to watch my videos. Again, if you're new here, this is your first time, I want to take the time out to thank you. There are so many videos out there that you could stop to watch, but if you pressed my video, if you tune into my channel and you stay there and watch my video, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know when Miss Positivity upload another video. May God bless you, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.